Hello! Today we're doing Delta Lesson 7, Area of a Parallelogram. So, we know area of a square and rectangle already. Does anybody remember? What does area equal? It equals the base times the height. Okay, or it might just be B times H. Base times height. Alright, so when we have a square, a nice, lovely square that's got a 5 here and a 7 here. What do we do if we would like to, find the area of this, well, it's not a square because it's not perfect, this rectangle, technically. What would we do to find the area? We would multiply the base, which is 5, times the height, which is 7, which would equal 5 times 7 is 35. Now, what unit of measurement did I use? Inches. And is that how I finish? No, you have to label correctly. Whenever we do area, it has to be labeled squared with a little 2 on top or with an SQ. I think you guys do more SQs. Alright, so here we have 35 inches squared. That is the area of our rectangle / square that we have there. Now, what about if our shape changes drastically? Okay, and by that I mean a parallelogram. So we have nice, rectangles, and we have nice squares. Well, a parallelogram is not like that. A parallelogram, wait a sec, let me get this. Perfect. A parallelogram is like this. Mrs. Heather didn't just draw the lines crooked. They are naturally sloped. There we go. They are naturally sloped like that. That is a parallelogram. Alright? So a parallelogram usually has the lines that are like this. They can do all sorts of crazy things. Like, I'm not going to go crazy. This is what they're teaching. This is a parallelogram. So they're going to try to do some trickery on you. So I'm going to write in some numbers here. Alright. So I'm asking, or this lesson is asking you to find the area of a parallelogram. The area of a parallelogram is the same as the area of a square or triangle. It's still base times height. But they like to throw in more numbers to try and trick you. They're not trying to trick you, they're just trying to make you look and find what specifically you're looking for. Alright? So if we're looking here, what's our base? Our base is our bottom. 8 feet is our base. Now, base times height. This is where they're trying to get you. Is your height the 7 or is your height the 5? Your height is the 5 because the height is always perpendicular to the base. Remember, we learned about parallel and perpendicular. This is perpendicular when they make 90-degree angles, when it's straight. Right here, this is a 90-degree angle. Is this a 90-degree angle? No, this is like curved. No, we want something that's perpendicular. Perfectly smacks each other. Right? That was a silly thing to say. Alright, so we want our height that's perpendicular to our base. So we want 8 times 5 feet. 8 times 5 is 40 feet squared. Don't forget, we're still doing area. We still need to label correctly. All right, we're going to just do one more together. This is going to be a real basic lesson. You guys will do great. Let me know if you have any problems. Okay. Okay, and the last one, we'll go do this one. All right, what are we going to do? We're finding the area of a parallelogram. We need the base. The base in this problem, 7 miles. That's the base of the parallelogram, the bottom of the parallelogram. 7 miles times the height. Is the height 5 or is the height 4? The height is 4 because it is perpendicular to the base, right? It hits the base. It doesn't hit it at an angle. It hits it nice and straight. So 7 miles times 4 miles equals 28 miles. Miles squared. Miles squared. Don't forget to label, especially on the test. That's where it counts. If you don't label on the test, like if you put just miles, it's half wrong. So don't forget to write miles squared, okay? All right. Hopefully this will be a real simple one, you guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and call or text me, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.